wWth.
How are you?
We good?
Good, nice to meet you. And who are you, please?
We are a band called Girish and the Chronicles, all the way from Sikkim, India.
How long have you been a band for?
Now it's been almost 16 years. Yeah,
Wow.
it's been quite some time. Yeah.
When you were thinking about coming on the show, was there any point where you thought, I'm not sure we should do this?
Well, yeah, a lot of times actually. I think the environment is something completely new to us.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
This is absolutely awesome and crazy.
Well, no more questions. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
So surprising. I mean, the whole audition was on point. Woo-hoo. All right.
I don't know what it is about you, but I think you're one of my favorite acts so far this season.
Oh my God, thank you.
I do like this kind of rock. You come from the other side of the globe and do something which is so traditionally American. It was so beautiful. Rock and roll. Right back at you.
Can't fake a reaction behind us. What we just felt behind us, the audience was real.
Amazing. This is one of the best crowds ever.
I could feel it. They liked you. We liked you. And your voice is really, really good, by the way.
Really good.
Okay, we're going to vote. Howie.
Yes.
Mel.
Yes.